Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to remove a watermark from a video for free. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser. Then you want to search for any eraser, any eraser. Then you want to log in into your account. Then you want to go and click on try it online. Then click on remove objects now in the remove watermark. Click on remove watermark now to redirect you to this page, and you should have the video in WebP format. So here I converted my MP4 video to WebP format. Then I'm gonna upload it like so. Then I'm gonna click on object remover. I'm gonna use the brush tool. Then I'm gonna remove this like so. Then click on generate. It will cost me 3 credits and I only have 5. So let's see how it works. It will take some time uploading. Then it will remove your watermark or the object that you actually highlighted, and it will also work with other watermarks that you have. So let's see the result together. It's uploading the video first. Now it's finishing. It says that I have to upgrade to a membership for high-speed processing, but I will get to you back once it's finished. And now here, as you can see, this is the final result. You can now click on animate and have the video working with you. You can even choose the models from the top left side right here, and you have here multiple models that you can actually try and use from. And if you cannot use this program, you can use even Digen AI. And in another video, I'll show you how to do it using the softwares of the video editing. So you can just upload the video, then use the video like so. After uploading it, you can simply click on remove watermark, and it will also remove the watermark from your video. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.